In 2020, the Covid-19 pandemic swept its way across the world and had devastating consequences on two very important industries: education and healthcare. The Covid-19 pandemic had a critical impact on undergraduate education and the ability of students to learn and gain knowledge that is important for their future careers. Healthcare was affected in ways such as nurses being understaffed and the mentally emotional toll the pandemic had on nurses and hospitals. Because of this, I have decided to study the consequences the COVID-19 pandemic has had on undergraduate nursing education. Nursing students are the future of our healthcare industry, and as a nursing major, I thought it would be fascinating to gain better insight into how current undergraduate nursing majors feel about their education and their upcoming employment in the healthcare field. My research consists of two studies: the pilot study, which will take place after we receive IRB approval during this current summer, and the final study, which will take place during the fall 2022 semester. The final study and overall research will be complete by the end of the fall 2022 semester. Participants in the research study will have to fill out a questionnaire which covers questions about their thoughts and feelings about the education, ability to learn, and resources during the pandemic when the fall 2021 and spring 2022 semesters were taking place. My poster goes into more depth about some of the main questions asked in the questionnaire. Because IRB approval can take some time, I have not been able to complete the pilot study, but have included predictions of how the questions will be answered during the pilot study and included them on the poster. The goal of the pilot study is to gain preliminary insight into participants' thoughts and feelings during the pandemic, as well as determine how the questionnaire is being filled out and if any questions need to be added or discarded. The overall goal of this research is to better understand how undergraduate nurses feel about their education during the pandemic and see if they feel that they are ready to graduate and become full-time nurses in the healthcare field.